Hello students, today we are going to start our fourth lesson. It is 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. So students, open your books, page number 36. On this page number, first line, there is the question asked, what is the big data? So what is the meaning of big data? We are going to learn in this passage. There is a revolution. So what is the meaning of revolution? Look at the board. A dramatic or wide-reaching change. There is a revolution in the lifestyle of people which has been affected by big data. So here we are getting information that in today's world all the people's lifestyle there is a big change, a dramatic change happened by big data. It means on the lifestyle there is a dramatic wide-reaching change in the lifestyle of people which is affected happened by big data. Because of the big data, lifestyle change all the peoples. So what kind of lifestyle? First, our food habits. So whatever food we eat, that habit changed. Our health care problem, no one is taking care about the health, and therefore in today's world we can see many health problems. Our traveling, people travel now on a long distance. Our scientific pursuit it means, look at the board. Pursuit it means study, or another meaning is continue to investigate or discuss. Our scientific pursuits, it means scientists continuously studying new techniques, continuously they are discussing about the changing lifestyle of the people. You name it and everything has changed 360 degrees. So whatever you can name, whatever you know in this world, that completely changed from 360 degree, from one corner to another corner of the lifestyle. Friends, do you know what happened when we like a post on Facebook or share a post on WhatsApp, visit any website, make online purchases? Purchase it means buy something. Buy something or watch videos. So here is asked a question to us that when we use internet and through that internet we use many apps, many websites. For example, we use Facebook and like any post on Facebook. We share any post on WhatsApp. When we visit any website, make online purchases on Amazon or any other company, or watch any video on YouTube or on the internet. So what happened after that? That we are going to learn ahead. Yes, whatever activity we do online is recorded. So whatever activity you do on your mobile, on your laptop, computer, via internet, so that all activity is recorded by an institution, by an organization. Monitored it means observe and check over a period of time. Another meaning is maintain regular surveillance. Monitored and analyzed. Analyzed it means, look at the board. It means a detailed examination of something, or another thing is the process of separating something. Yes, whatever activities we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. So whatever activity you do or I do on net, on internet, or whatever application I use, that all activities, whatever I do on internet, that all activities recorded. Those all activities were monitored, it means observed, watched by an organization, government organization or any private company's organization, and analyzed, it means separate all the data, whatever you have watched on your mobile, on your laptop, on your computer, that separated, analyzed by that institution, that organization, government organization or private organization. So whatever activity you do on your mobile, via internet, on your computer, that all is recorded, observed, watched, whatever activity you do. So a huge amount of data is collected, and therefore millions people use internet, they use many applications, and therefore a huge, very large data is collected there in that organization. Let me give you an idea of how huge the data might be. So here the writer want to give us information how huge, how large that data is. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes of data consist it means to be made up of, consisting of billions to trillions of record of millions of people. So big data can be petabytes and exabytes. So what is the meaning of petabytes and exabytes? Here is given the meaning. Petabyte, it means unit of information equal to 1000 billion, and exabyte, it means unit of information equal to 1 quintillion. So in short, petabytes and exabytes, these are the unit of information used for data. So the whole data collected there, which is called big data, that is in the billions and trillions petabytes or exabytes. In these words, in these measurement, that big data is collected there from millions of people, all from different sources. For example, web, cell, customer contact center, social media, mobile data, and so on. So all this data which is collected in that organization, that is called big data. It is collected from different kind of sources. For example, when any person is using any website, so that data also collected. This is a different kind of source. Sales, anyone is selling something or buying something on internet, that is the different kind of source of data. Then customer contact center, if you are contacting on customer care, so that time also that is also a source of information. Then social media, on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, you share post or like post, that is also a different kind of source of collecting data. Mobile data and so on. So this way there are many sources of collecting data, and all these data were recorded, observed by an organization. So students, today here we are going to stop. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.